What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel Little Information. So basically this is the first video for the Python playlist for those who are absolute beginners. So I'll share the basic information. Before that, let me show the Wikipedia page of Python. As you can see, Python is an integrated high-level general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum. Now I'm gonna show my explainer video of Python. Apart from that, at the end of the video, I'll show how I have created a game of Snake with the help of Python. So please watch till end of this video. So basically people get this question in their mind that what is Python? As well as what can you do with it? What else you can create with it? And why is it so popular among the jungle of languages? Everybody wants to learn this language. What's so special in this language? So let's see. Python is world's fastest growing programming language because it is versatile. The codes are very easy. It is not that much of complex as compared to the C language. It is used by accountant, software engineer, network engineer, mathematician, scientist. Used by lots of people, not only just by the coders or the programmers. Everybody can use the Python for their ease, for their comfort. Apart from that, you can do extra things as well, like big data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation. So if you're doing boring tasks like copy paste, so the Python is a very good language to work on it and create some automation code. Apart from that, you can do n number of tasks like creating desktop app, web apps, testing, even you can do hacking as well. So you can get this question in your mind that these things can be done by other language as well. So what's so special in this language? Why to learn Python? So here are the reasons. So you can solve complex problem with lesser time with smaller codes. Adding more points, it belongs to huge community, cross-platform, large ecosystem, high-level language. Huge community means if you get stuck somewhere in your task, you can get to learn from other people, like a lot of people working on this. So in a nutshell, it's a multi-purpose language with a simple and beginner-friendly syntax. And it is also known as pseudocode because of its easiness, its comfortness. So now I'm in my Windows screen. I'm using PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE, that means integrated development environment. So just to gain your interest and attention, I have created certain codes of the Snake game. So let me play this game. Okay. So you can see that I have inscribed my channel name, that little informative wala game. In this you can see that the black one is snake and the red one is apple. Okay, the game is over now. So this was the game which was created by the Python. So in future I'll tell you that how this game is created, and I'll take you from the beginner to a medium to advanced level. Watch my channel.